Hi everyone, this is Allison, and she's gonna show us her Prius and
my Prius and the tent that attaches to the back. So it attaches to the back, so I can leave my hatch open or I can close it while I'm inside. Okay. It has 3 entrances, so it doesn't really matter which direction that I park. And so when I'm in, since it's lined with the silver, I can change my clothes even with the lights on, which you can't do in regular tents a lot of times. And I haven't been in it in the rain yet, but it's waterproof and it shouldn't. I mean, if it leaks, it might just run down from the top of my car onto my car.
Okay.
So I don't think that it would leak, because this is fully underneath, you know, the well of my car.
Yes.
So it wraps around. So it wouldn't get into the tent area here. So yeah, I just have I keep a fan in the back of my hatch when I close up.
Yes.
And a lantern in there. And then I use the carabiner trick to keep my car battery from dying.
Oh, okay. Tell me.
Yeah, so, you know, if you leave the hatch open, the light, you know, everything is activated. So to do that, depending on where your clip is, you just click a carabiner in there.
And then it just keeps
and it tricks the car to think that the hatch is closed.
Oh, okay. That's
so
a good idea.
in a minute, the lights will go off.
Right.
You know.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so sometimes, like in my husband's Explorer, I have to do it up here.
Okay.
So whenever you push the latch to open the door, then it lets the carabiner go.
Awesome.
Or
That's a smart idea.
Or I can use the emergency, you know, latch opener there. But
very nice.
Yeah.
I like that. And here's a picture of the outside, guys. I don't need therapy. I just need to go camping. Awesome. Okay. This is Joyce's
1992 Ford Econoline.
Okay. So very nice.
She's going through her own stuff.
See. That's a bed.
No, because I knew the morning.
Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Where, Huntington?
Huntington Beach.
It's a Rustic Trails teardrop camper. It's the Kodiak Stealth. They do not, it's a 2019. I bought it used, tore apart the inside, redid it. So, yeah. Refrigerator, TV, air conditioner.
Wow.
I built a sink and a bed that pulls out, so you pull it out and then put the back cushion to make up. And then
You got the TV.
little ottomans, my toilet.
Okay, cute.
Just a queen size bed to go for that whole thing. And then this was there's a propane stove, a propane heat, and then most of it runs on solar though, so I don't.
Lynn and I are right there.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So I would.
You got a lot of floor space.
I got a lot of floor space. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I got the smallest pantry in the world.
I thought mine was. Yours is deeper than mine.
You can camp by tent, cabins, RVs, cars, vans. Whatever way you choose to do it, you'll have a great time. Just get out there and live. It'll be worth it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.